Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 59. An unexpected network error occurred on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of network error, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, now execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. There is a system repair pending which requires reboot to complete. So reboot your system and after that restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here look for any problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation mark. It means this drive is having problem. So right click on this drive and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all the problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation mark against device driver. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type RSTRUI and click on OK. This command will open system restore files and settings. Restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making computer slow. Click on next and choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. You may create a restore point. How to create a restore point? Go to my channel and search this video and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. After that, your error definitely be resolved.